Hello traders, good morning. This morning we are looking at our extended bullish rally. This morning we are discussing with students that intelligent trader right now walking away from the screen. That nothing good is possible in this market as bullish rally overextended and price has taken a massive pause. All students are done with their work. Take a look. Brad, legend in the course, 15 minutes of work this morning, done, 3.5 points on S&P. 3 points on S&P on one lot, $150. 10 lots, $1,500. 20 lots, $3,000. Do the math. On S&P you can trade extremely large size. You can trade 100, 500, 200. I don't even know what the limit size on S&P is, the most popular day trading instrument in US. Jason just starting week number 3 in the course, killing it. Magnificent, serious effort. Jason not wasting time. Dow 37 points, 500 contracts, boom. Amazing work, stunning. Breathtaking. Another 45 points, 1850 contracts, all of the work, 45 minutes. Every single trade, different stop, different target. You decide what trade you want to trade. Every trader trades different lot size, different account size. And that's incredible morning for Jason on the 3rd week in the course. Andy killing it on Dow. Andy has serious competition. It's his incredible 14-year-old son. Wait till you see Dominic's performance next. Scott took off short term, killing it on stocks. And that's every trader, different account, different instrument, different lot size. You decide what trade you want to take. Only you know your personal financial circumstance, your account size. We have traders who trade $500 account on micro S&P. We have traders who trade $5,000 account, $500,000 account, $5 million account, $500 million account, $1 billion account. We have range of traders from beginner to hedge fund trader. You decide what trade, what instrument you want to take. Because method applies to it all, any time frame, any instrument. You decide. Choice is yours. Meet Dominic. Dominic, holding the bar very, very high. Dominic is Andy's son. Dominic will be blessing us with podcast very, very soon, sharing how simple trading with Alpha Fibonacci System is. Look at Dominic's performance after a couple of weeks with Alpha Fibonacci System. So here's Dominic's performance. Here is a stunning reminder of the power of your brilliant mindset. If Dominic can do it, so can you. Dominic just raised the bar for every single trader. This is it. Dominic already knows what he wants to do for the rest of his life. Maybe he will spend much more time to play golf. Let's ask Andy, and you will hear on podcast, how much time does Dominic spend in front of the screen? Andy. The Dominator. Boom. Less than 2 hours per day. My goodness, what a stunning and flawless reminder. The power of mindset is everything. So please recognize, Alpha Fibonacci system is pure and simple. Do not overcomplicate trading. No indicators, pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exit. This is all that Dominic does. Not overcomplicating trading. That's it. But as his incredible father Andy shares, finding playback and practice very useful. Absolutely. Dominic does what Lewis Hamilton does. Practicing, practicing, practicing. Not babysitting junk that's playing out in front of you, as we discussed with students prior to the trading room. Ultimate buy point was on July 20th. On July 21st, if you missed ultimate buy point at Alpha Fibonacci support, only when price will give us powerful retracement, intelligent trader will be interested in spending time in front of the screen. If price will be stuck here inside junk, these brilliant traders will not waste their time babysitting junk. As you can see, run that replay, baby. Practice, as every single athlete on the planet does. Federer hits it hundreds, thousands of times. So does Michael Jordan before winning NBA, before winning Wimbledon, before winning any competition. This is the key. Playback, practice, market replay. And as Andy shares about Dominic, 14-year-old Dominic schoolwork from 9 to 12:15 each day. And then he trades from 2:15 and 4:45, including this class. This class every morning. How many hours, Andy, does Dominic plays golf? Please do share. As market remains stuck completely, Dominic will not waste his time on junk. If I convert this chart to 1, what do you see? Powerful pullback is the key. For the last 20 minutes we were stuck in junk. Dominic would never touch junk. Dominic demands the power. Dominic knows if this support remains respected, this is where broker makes money. This is when intelligent trader not touching the market. As Andy shares, Dominic plays golf 3 or 4 times per week. Boom! And that's the power of intelligent, brilliant trader who is holding the bar very high for every single trader older than 14. And that's incredible community of Alpha Fibonacci traders, and that's how we celebrate 10-year anniversary with traders in US and globally from 14 to 100 years old, from $500 account to billions of dollars traded with Alpha Fibonacci system, from Florida to London to Riyadh to Dubai to Malaysia to New York. You decide what instrument you want to trade. Choice is yours. And when price collapsing from Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, that's when Dominic becomes interested in trading the market. This support is out, volatility picking up this steam, but it doesn't matter what chart you trade. Is it 5, is it 10, is it 15, is it 25? That's the power of the system. You know all of this many days in advance. No speculation here. None are present. Software right now showing you overextended bullish rally and a whole lot of pain. If price is not collapsing, if price is stuck in such narrow range, it's extreme junk traders. It's a very dangerous market. Intelligent trader knows that. Intelligent trader never ever shorting near Alpha Fibonacci support. It is black and white. It is brutal chop. And this is where it's coming from, because intelligent and brilliant Dominic knows. Only if you trade with institutions you will succeed. We are dealing with overextended bullish rally. When institutions keep holding their longs, when institutions not closing their positions, bullish rally overextended, and buying continue viciously. So if you're trying to short the markets, you're in serious trouble. Software showing you clearly it's a key support, not a place to short. It's a key resistance. What a junky little range. So if Dominic can trade in this brutal market, he will kill it in magnificent markets. Magnificent markets were here, starting since March 23rd, continuing on in April, continuing on in May, continuing on in June. In July, market is brutal. But if bullish rally continues, intelligent trader is not surprised. Intelligent trader knows very clearly where rally continues from. Alpha Fibonacci support, not the place to short. That's it. It's black and white. No speculation here. No stress. No pain. No gambling. None are present. So when market stages instant pullback, market reminding you it's a very dangerous place. We're dealing with overextended rally. Yesterday was a dream. Yesterday was a bottom. Today we are extremely high. Intelligent trader knows how crucial this moment is. Intelligent trader understands the danger of overextended rally. When institutions can afford to buy any and every pullback, intelligent trader trades with institutions and never against them. Boom! On this 3 trades, I have very different stops. Trader decides what trade he wants to take. Does your account allow you only 1 point stop? Does your account allow you 3 point stop, 5 point stop, 15 point stop, 50 point stop? Choice is yours. Alpha Fibonacci system applies to any stop, any target. You decide what trade you want to take. It is that simple. Traders trade micro accounts. Traders trade multi-million-dollar and billion account right next alongside of micro account. It is only your business what trade you will choose, what trade your account can afford. Is it 2 point? Is it 20 point? Do you want to hold your trade 5 minutes, 5 hours, 5 days, 5 weeks, 5 months? Do you want to hold your trade 5 seconds? Choice is yours. Alpha Fibonacci system applies to all time frames, to all stops, to all targets. And that's the reason Dominic killing it in the market. So while we're looking at the market, while we're discussing everything that played out this morning, before we will share what account size our new legend 14-year-old Dominic trades, I would like to show you this long trade, and I would like to remind you this is extremely aggressive trading, bullish trade in a progress that you saw on scanner. But this is very, very dangerous market. Market is not dangerous here. Dominic knows how dangerous market is here. Look at that. It's a major, major problem. Bullish rally overextended. Dominic knows the crucial moment on this trade. And that's the power of Alpha Fibonacci system, where intelligent Dominic, brilliant Dominic, would know to buy the bottom, to play golf when market is this brutal. So Andy is sharing his son Dominic trading 20K account. But is Brett sharing, because it's his personal business, how small or how large his account is. This is a simple formula. Use 1 to 3% stop loss of account value without any margin. That's it. It's the old standard money management that you can simply use. That's it. And as Ken is sharing compounding account, Dom would be millionaire in no time, as Andy sharing. It is fascinating to watch him learn as he sees things simpler than adults often do. Boom. Did we know or did we know that this is a major problem? Of course, this is the power of Alpha Fibonacci system. So when the scanner lighting up multiple shorts, Dominic knows. This was expected. This is critical, crucial resistance. Do not be tempted to buy the top. And that's the power of intelligent strategic trading. No speculation here. None. You decide what you want to trade, what account size, what instruments. Traders trade it all. So 14-year-old Dominic killing it in this market, so can you? Alpha Fibonacci system applies to any instrument, any account size. You decide what instrument, what time frame, what account size you trade. You can listen to podcasts of our legendary traders, podcasts with Dominic and his incredible father Andy coming soon. This is Game Changer Alpha Fibonacci software as we celebrate 10-year anniversary with system that can be traded on any platform, on any instrument, with any stop, with any target. Choice is yours, what you will decide to trade. So please review the information on the website, more details under product section. And if you have any questions for me, do not hesitate to call or email me. After reviewing the information on the website, pick up the phone and call 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders.